Now this is our driveway. Part of the one side of our driveway. The other side goes out the other exit. But this, I don't know if you're going to be able to really truly appreciate how crappy this is. This is this one of the deepest ones? We have to go, you can see where we're driving over there on the right. Yeah, there's a lake every time it rains. But this is what it's like to get it out. Oh, he's going to go ahead and go through to show you. Normally we drive on that side. But you can see, you can tell, it's pretty bad. This one's really deep right here. Whoa. It's hard to really show you. I can't walk the whole thing, but we definitely can drive you down here and show you. Yeah, we got to fill that one. And there is a gigantic hole up here at the top of our driveway. It's very deep. Yeah, it's deep. Didn't think you'd be on a road crew with us today, did you? We're biding our time for a couple more days until we get paid like everybody else in America or anywhere else. And then we'll be working on the house again. All right, people, we're going to just fill this hole in. And we've got shovels and rakes. We are the road crew. All the neighbors can contribute the dirt to their area. Yep. And there's a 15-foot easement on everybody's property anyway. So, we're actually not going in anybody's yard or property. I'm a few hundred shovels behind you. And if you guys are wondering why I'm unsteady on my feet, I have not been drinking. I have a heel bone removed in my left foot, which makes me walk really weird. And my center of gravity and my stability is completely destroyed on that side. So that's why you see me walking the way I do. It makes it impossible for me to do certain things.
No snotties.
I said, my nose is running. Is there,
is there
problems? Is there problems? Okay. Patrick has requested lunch.
Demanded.
I'm
starving.
So we're going to go have some tuna.
I need some
sandwiches.
Some go fuel.
Yeah, and then we're going to get back at it. We're actually doing it faster than we thought, but it's back-breaking. So we'll see how much we get done today. All right, day 2. And I'll tell you, I was sore yesterday. You sit down for any length of time and you're feeling it. All right. Patrick's kind of off camera there, but there's a pile. I don't know how long it'll take us to fix this one. I predict it's going to be a while. All right, you guys. He ran over it like a million times. We still have some high-low spots, but man, is it better. That it was a big, deep crevice. And that was cool of our neighbor, Clarence, to stop and shake Patrick's hand and introduce himself and say, hey, next time you're out here, I got a shovel. People appreciate that, I'm sure, because we all have to go down this road or our other road, and it's just as bad. I have a beef with the county on that one because that one is actually, that is a printed sign by the county. Well, I say that's a good day's work. The other part of that is pretty shallow. It's not that bad. So I think we'll just stick to the really bad spots and let people wear it down.
Like that next one's going to be.
The next one's going to be nasty, guys. Yeah, that's a whole day.
Yeah.
That's hard to show on camera, but I think that you can.
This is like a drop off right here. It's like you jump down in the hole, man.
Yeah.
Stupid. Yeah, Chuck put this rock right there, which probably would help.
Yeah, if we had rock around here, but you know what? It's pretty absent of rock.
Yeah, rocks are pretty
Really hard to come by around here for some reason.
sizable rocks.
We live in Utah, and this particular area is just not full of rocks at all. So that's our new pet peeve for tomorrow. So we're going to call it a day, and we'll pick up with you tomorrow. Okay. Look at that thing. It's huge. And it's the last one we're going to do because the other one down by our house is pretty smooth to go through. It's not like this. Guys, this is day 3, and we are absolutely exhausted. And I can, I don't think that we have it in us to do much more. When we've done a good job, there's some really bad ones that we fixed for now. Till it rains probably. And this is going to be the last of the Mohicans.
Yeah.
And my hips, my everything, I can't do any more of this kind of stuff. I shouldn't even be doing this at all, but given my spinal issues and my leg and my feet issues, this is really difficult. And it's not easy for Patrick either. I mean, he's digging. I'm skimming and he's digging. So that's all I can do is skim. Dirt on the shoulder or over here where it's soft. This is going to be the last hole. All right, good enough.
Here we are, day 3.
And we're exhausted
And done.
and done. There is a dip closer to our house, but it's smooth. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It will rain us out. So at some point we do have to go out there and do that, but we are not doing that this week. I'm done.
That's going to involve some rock
Patrick
and
is
gravel.
done. He's shoveled so many loads. It's insane. And thank you guys for hanging out with us.
Appreciate it.
I know it's not our traditional home built, but we do other things besides build our house, and this is one of those things that just had to get done this week. And we appreciate you hanging in there with us and hanging out. And if you would, and you would like to, please subscribe. We would love to have you, and hit the bell for notifications so you know when we're uploading. And give us a thumbs up. It really does help us on your way out.
And on top of all that, comment and share. We love all that stuff.
Yeah, we can't.
It's all good.
We can't think straight. It's
Yeah.
time to do.
To get out of here.
Time to go.
Yeah, time to go home.
Yeah.
To the
So
homestead.
until we're together again, if you have to,
And you might. Hunker down. Here we go. Back to the homestead. The El Ranchero.
You know they can hear you.
I know.
Oh, he does this kind of thing.
Down the road again.
Gotcha.